Good day, everybody. We're starting out here today at the Sea Stars Cafe and Resort. They have plenty of parking here, and here's where you come in when you first enter, and it's 200 baht per person. Now these little carts here, if you want to rent one to run around out here, they're 100 baht. And I assume that's for an hour. They also have these little ones over here. The place is pretty big. The rooms, there's rooms all around here, and they range 2,500 to 3,000 baht per night. And with that, you get these rentals. Okay, this gentleman just tells us that besides having this big airplane here that we're going to go up on, apparently you can get in the captain's seat. I'm in the Sea Stars restaurant cafe, and my captain's hat a little bit small for my big melon, but we're in the captain and co-pilot seats. So everybody's going to get to take a ride with us.
They have big hat, big hat. Big hat.
And then if you want to see the aircraft that are in the back, there's two other airplanes in the back. You have to, well, you can walk, but it's quite a distance. So Jaya is holding the price sheet here for everything. You can pause to read it to find out more. Oh, and the other thing, over on the left-hand side over towards the cabins is where the restrooms, and there's a little cafe right there. These are the new pilots getting ready to take off. The shirts here, I know there's absolutely no way those are going to go on me. This looks like more comfortable seating than what we would get on our typical flight. Okay, so what I didn't tell you earlier was the 200 baht that you pay, you get either 7 pieces of sushi and coffee, or a cake.
Yeah, 200.
And coffee. This is our snack and coffee that we got here. So we're going to have this now, and then we're going to move on to our next thing to do. I figured in the beginning when we got our tickets, 200 baht each, that they said a snack and coffee. I didn't think we were going to get something like this. We get a really good piece of cake. I mean, it's a good sized cake and nice blended coffees and sushi. I would recommend you come early. As you can see, it's getting a lot busier in here. We came right when they opened. It's only about 10 o'clock now. I don't know why anybody would come outside to sit, because it's so nice inside. It's beautiful inside. But they have tables out here if you choose to come outside instead of being inside. See, it's I believe a 56 Ford pickup down there. Say it again?
Tell them to come here in Sakon Nakhon. You see trailer. He can haul trailer, come here.
And Dave, she's talking about has got to love Thailand. He's got Trailer Trash Thailand as his other channel, and he goes camping. So this would be a good spot for him to come to. It's kind of cool. It looks like we're tipped sideways. We're not flying very level.
They have shirt too.
Oh, they have shirts you can put on too. If you really want to get into it.
That's the shirt.
This is kind of cool. I got my co-pilot over here, has got her hat on now. She's ready to... Okay, we're going to move out and let a new pilot take over the flight from here. Thank you all that made it this far in the video. We appreciate you coming. If you like this content, please reach down to the bottom and mash the like and subscribe. It doesn't cost you anything and helps our channel. This is Bobby and Jai of Time here. We're out.